In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file in Infinityfree Wordpress. If you need to upload a plugin, a theme, or website files to your WordPress installation on Infinityfree, this method is a simple option, especially when your zip file is under 10 megabytes. We'll be using the built-in online file manager, which lets you upload the zip file and extract it directly on the server. To get started, log into your Infinityfree client area. Once you're signed in, look for your hosting account and open the one connected to the website you want to work on. Inside that account, click the orange File Manager button. This will open the online file manager where you can manage the files for your site. After the file manager opens, navigate to the htdocs folder. This is the main directory for your website files, so in most cases, this is where you'll begin. From here, the exact folder you choose depends on what you're uploading. If you're uploading a WordPress plugin, go into htdocs, then WP content, and then plugins. If you're uploading a WordPress theme, go into htdocs, then WP content, and then themes. Choosing the correct destination folder is important because WordPress looks in these specific locations for plugins and themes. Once you're in the right folder, go to the top toolbar and click the upload icon. From the available options, choose Upload Zip and Extract, which may also appear as Upload and Unzip depending on the version of the file manager you see. This option is useful because it handles both parts of the process at once, so you don't need to upload the zip file first and then manually extract it afterward. Next, select the zip file from your computer. After you choose the file, the server will begin uploading it. Once the upload finishes, Infinityfree will automatically extract the contents into the folder you selected. That means your plugin, theme, or site files should be placed directly where they need to be. As a quick tip, make sure your zip file is properly packaged before uploading. For example, a plugin or theme should usually contain its own folder inside the zip rather than loose files only. Also remember that this method is best for files under 10 megabytes, since that's the practical limit for the online file manager. And that's it. Once the extraction is complete, your files should be in place and ready for the next step inside WordPress.